Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel. Okay, so these questions, they are coming for those that are writing GCE. Okay, GCE. So these questions are yours. So these questions never miss in an exam. Okay, so this question never misses in an exam. So I'm just picking questions that come frequently without missing. Okay, so this question might look like they don't matter, but trust me, 3 marks matters. 3 marks, 2 marks, it is more than enough to get. Okay, so these are questions that you cannot fail to answer. These are simple questions which just come. They are saying that you need to simplify these questions, and I believe these questions are coming. One of them will come. Okay, so this question, they're saying that simplify this. So we have number 1, number 2. So let's check solutions like that. Okay, so we have number 1 as 2x to the power 2 minus 8 divided by x plus 2, right? So this question is very simple. Okay, so what is up here? It is a question that you can factorize. Okay, so what you're supposed to do when you're taught to simplify this kind of question, just factorize which is up here. So this one which is up here, when you factorize it, when you copy it like this, it will be x squared minus 8. Can you fail to factorize this? No, you can't fail. So when you're taught to factorize this completely, you just say what is common here, it is 2. So it is 2. 2 can go in this. So 2 can go in this. 2 can go in this. The remainder will be what? Will be x squared. Then 2 can go in 8. Then it will be what? 4, like that. Then you are factorizing it completely. Know that this is just the difference of 2 squares, meaning that you need to find this. You need to find the square root of these 2. Okay, so we have 2 up here. Then here we have what is the square root of x. I said in the previous videos, I said that the square root of x squared, it is just x, because when you say x times x, it will give you what? X squared. So it's just to find the square root of x. So what is the square root of x is just x. Then you get the minus. What is the square root of 4? The square root of 4 is 2. When you multiply 2 times 2, it's 4. So the square root of 4 is what? Is 2. Okay, so now you need to know that this is the difference of 2 squares when you have a negative here, meaning that there is a positive and a negative value of the same answer. So you have x plus 2. Okay, there is a positive and there is a negative. So this is how you can factorize this. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is just to factorize this. So this is the answer on top there. Okay, so now your final answer will be what? You just get this answer and put it there. So here when we say, so this answer, this one is replaced with that. Okay, so we have 2 open bracket x minus 2. Okay, then x plus what? Plus 2. X plus 2. Then you divide by this. Okay, so that is x plus what? Plus 2. X plus 2, right? So now here, it is just a matter of what? A matter of dividing. So this will go with that one. Okay, so what you have is 2 open bracket x minus 2. And this is how you simplify. This is how you simplify. So that's how you simplify that kind of equation. Okay, that is how you simplify that kind of equation. Then you get your 3 marks like that. I'm sure you've understood. So this question is coming. I said one of them is coming. So sometimes you might have a question. They will give you a quadratic equation up here. They will say something like this. So they will say, let's say there's x. Okay, then they'll say plus 2. They will ask you to simplify this. It is just a matter of factorizing what is up here. Then you divide by this. That is what they will do. That's what you are supposed to do. Okay, so let's solve this other question. So it will come like this. It might come like this, or it might come like that, or they might bring a quadratic equation. So here we'll say equals, so what is up here, you just copy it, y plus 1, okay, over, you know, this one, when you just see y squared or x squared, p squared, m squared, they'll just change the letters. So this, and there's a 1, they mean you should just find the square root of these, okay. This is just the difference of two squares, meaning that there is what? There is y, the square root of that, there is y, and the square root of 1 is just 1, okay, because 1 times 1 is 1. And there is, this is the difference of two squares, meaning that there's supposed to be two expressions of the same but with different signs. So mean that there is y plus 1, like that here, okay. So this is what it means. So we are supposed to do this. So you just put it down here. We have 1 minus 1, y minus 1, then here y plus 1, like that, okay. Then you just compare which ones are the same. So this will go in this one time, okay. So meaning that the answer will be what? The answer will be, this one will go in this one time, okay. So this is just 1 here, so it will be 1 over what is remained here, it is this y minus 1, like that. So this is supposed to be your answer. So these questions are coming, make sure that you just do them. So I'm doing questions that mostly come in the exam, okay. So you know, just you need to also do matrices, they always come, they don't miss, okay. So if you need if you have any question, okay, you can call me, or if you need tuitions, you can WhatsApp me on 0975 334778. I'm your tutor, Patrick Divine. Thank you for watching.